Okay guys, so I'm starting to make the powder coat booth, the new big oven we're doing. So I'm just going to start cutting up all these metal studs, kind of getting it laid out, and then we'll start putting it together. So this is about how big it's going to be when it's laid out. Basically it's 43 on the end walls, and then 36-inch side walls. And then we're going to go 72 inches high, but to give you an idea, I'm going to throw something in there so you can get an idea how much space it actually is. To give you an idea how big it's going to be, that's a trunk lid off a 65 Mustang. You can see there's room around there. Like I said, we're going 6 feet tall, so we'll be able to get that on our rolling rack. Something that big. I mean, we got room enough to do bumpers. So this should be really helpful once we get rolling here on Chrome and Zaya's bumpers. Doing, painting stuff up, you can get some big pieces in there. So I think that'll be about the right size. It's not going to take up too much space in the shop when we move our pallet racking over a little bit. So I think that'll work pretty slick. Obviously, it's going to be a little wider on the one side. We're going to add a little framework for our controls. Hey guys, we're back out here in the garage working on the powder coat oven. We got the small house oven. We've been trying to get a chance to build a bigger oven here. I got all my steel studs cut, and I got one wall framed up. We can use all the guts out of our existing one. But I'll give you a step-by-step process of how this goes together, how we're going to insulate it, and then when we switch controls over. But that's one wall of the 4, so then we're actually going to have carts that'll roll in and out of there when we're done. Hey guys, we're back on the powder coat oven. I got all the walls framed up. 3 walls, and then I got to make the door, but we're going to get these kind of put together. But right now we got the walls up, or framed up. Now we're going to put them together and kind of get the box started making it. Hey guys, well, we got the walls all framed up. As you can see, it's 6 feet tall, 3 by 3 in the inside. So should be able to get some decent stuff in there. I got some carts that have metal wheels on. We're going to be able to hang parts from and just wheel right in there. We'll insulate these walls with K-wool on the inner liner. We'll have 14 gauge metal on the inside of the oven here. And then we put 22 or 24 even on the outside. That's just basically holding the insulation in. I think probably what we're going to do is build a little box off the side, a couple more inches, put all the controls in here, and then we're going to have all the elements on the side there. So that's it so far. Like I said, making progress. Next step would be to get the inside lined, and then we can insulate it and then put the outer skin on it.